Right then, YouTubers, me and Captain Morgan is on a good field here, loads of coins. This is one of Morgan's permissions. Just had a silver, still in the clod. He's well gel. Which, what is it?
You try me guess. That's what I think it is, bro.
Is that a token? What, one of those Welsh tokens?
From over see the kid.
What?
It's a Vicky.
Oh, it's a Vicky, man, nice. Oh, lovely. That's a young one as well, isn't it? Oh, no, not quite.
One,
yeah, yeah. Oh, wicked.
That's a nice one.
Oh well, let's hammer it out. Which way are we going? Left or right, up and down, or we just stay in this area?
We could just plug around in there, couldn't we?
Yeah. How many signals have you had? Because I literally had about 10 signals, and I think about 6 of them have been coins.
Yeah. The same here. Well, I've had 6. You've had 6 coins? Yeah,
about that. 2 half pennies, a penny. That 6pence. Alright, 5 coins then. That's good odds though, isn't it?
I've had those, and then 2 bits of lead, and I've had fucking bit of drops.
Better not disclose this location. You'll have all that hawkers up, yeah? Got a high signal, yeah, I'll do a live one, and I think old Captain Morgan's on a signal over there. By there somewhere, I'm sure it is. Oh my God! Check this, I found a ring. Yeah. See, there's a ring. Look, big ring. That looks like a bull ring. It's huge. Like bronze or brass or something.
I reckon this is a coin.
It's a coin. It's a foreign coin. They used to wear them on something to keep old so they didn't lose them.
No, I reckon this is a coin.
Oh, you got a coin. Live digs, is it? Go on, let's do it. Come on, boy. Oh. Let's see how good you are finding coins. Still down there. Oh, come on, put your shovel right in there.
Still down there.
You've missed it. Come on, the viewers are waiting.
It's not that.
Under pressure now. Do you want me to get my shovel?
No,
yeah, use a proper shovel. Live one.
Yeah, get the pro mode.
Nice, nice. Say no more. Right, we both got a signal. You guys are going to dig both of them same time for you. On your marks, get set, go! I'm first, I'm winning, man. I'm winning. Oh, you haven't even got your clump out? Oh, mine's out. Mine's out. It's out. I'm winning. Coin. Oh, it's a coin. Live one. Half penny by the looks of it. Well, you got a bullet. Oh, you. Oh, nice. 3 ringer or something. Is it like one of the little ones? 2 ringer. Nice. I just got a half penny. Crusty one. Oh well, you won that one. I'd rather the bullet than a crappy half penny. Crusty one. Oh well, see you on the next one. Come over here and show it on camera while I dig this one. Get a shot of it on camera. Running. It's running down the street. That is camera, but it's running. Just put up the picture in front of it. Oh, what the hell is that?
That's a button, this is.
Thought that had a design on it then. Oh, it's a button, it's got 2 holes in it. How could you think that was a bloody hammer coin? That's nothing like a hammer coin.
No, I wrote across it.
What's a grotty?
Huh?
What's a grotty?
Roman grot.
Oh, 2 holes in it. Right, this is field 2, guys, on Stevie Boy's permission. He's just coming through now. I don't want to say where it is, but we've had pretty good luck so far. I might head up towards that oak tree there, but there's a path that runs through here, and in the distance there's a church. So, but the path runs for miles from a little estate, not so far from here, right the way over to a church. So we're going to try and follow that line and see what comes up. See you in a bit, guys. Oh, and I got a new harness, the CTX harness. It's pretty cool. So takes a lot of the strain off the shoulder, but it just puts it straight on the back. See you in a bit. Captain Morgan's made it in a area. A lot of dig there for you. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love it. I'm so good. Yo! Silver! Ooh, ooh. Boop. There goes the clod. What is it? 1940. I think it might be half, maybe. It's a big old one, that is. 1940.
Oh, look at that, that's half a crown, isn't it?
Yeah. Half a crown here, boy. Oh.
Nice.
Like that, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
Good, didn't I?
No.
Wonder if there's any more. Oh, you are. You can have this. This is the imprint. See, you can see his head on there still. You keep that. That's yours. Put it in your pouch. Right, let's go and find some more. Right, guys, I left Captain Morgan up there. Just had a penny out of there, Georgian penny. But I love hunting around these big trees, and you can see why right there. Yeah. I always find coins round the trees. Oh well, it's a little bent up, what is it? Elizabeth halfpenny, but still a coin, and we will crack on. Whoops. Well, that was attached to me. But I'll have a quick scan round here now with you guys. Right, I just said to Stephen, next time I got a silver signal, I'll let him dig it. This is dig, so I got one here. Go on, Steve, it's yours, mate. Bring your shovel.
No, I just want to check it.
No, go on, you can have it. If there's a silver coin in there, it's yours. You picking it up?
There's a coin in it.
There's a coin in there. You're having it. Come on, live one, get it up then. Don't mess about. Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it, boy. Oh.
That's a good shovel, that, isn't it?
It's a lovely one, isn't it? I made that myself, I did.
Oh, you got a video on YouTube, haven't you?
I've got a video on YouTube, check it out. Made that one myself, I did. With my own 2 fingers. Couldn't make it any more messier. Still in there? Do you want my thingamabobber?
I got a pull box.
My thingamajigger, yeah?
It's out.
You sure?
Yeah.
Come on, Silver. Give Captain Morgan a silver. He's a good boy. Oh, unlucky matey. What's it, half penny? It's nice condition.
It's a Vicky.
Vicky.
Big five got a half penny, that isn't it?
That's a half penny, isn't it? Big one. Oh well.
Brilliant. I reckon I got a coin over there as well.
Let me have a look. Do you want it? Because I did say you could have it. Oh, don't have it then, I'll have it. Right, we got a coin over here. I'll fill your holes in, buddy, don't worry. I find signals for him, lets him dig them, and then I fills them for him. I'm a proper guide. Ah! I found the biggest bit of bomb scrapnel you've ever seen. Where is it? Look at that for a chunk. It's normally all in bits, isn't it?
That's a chunk of that.
That's a massive chunk. That's the biggest piece I've ever seen, I think. Right, let's go. Let's have a look. Oh, it looks like it's here somewhere. Oh, can you see it? Oh, what's that? There's a bit of a dodgy signal. Oh well. Oh, Captain Morgan! I'll eat my hat if this is not a bit of silver.
Yeah.
Do you want it?
No, I'll dig it up.
Go on. I want you to find the silver.
I'll find my own.
It will be your own. You dig it. Oh well. You don't want my charity? I will do it on my own, man. You don't want my charity? Where's that signal gone? Oh yeah. Ooh, what we got? What we got? What we got? Got. Oh, it's a dog buckle or a horse buckle. It's a big buckle. Oh God. Oh, the lever's just corroded off it. Oh well. Buckle! Right then guys, Stephen thinks he's made an amazing find. It's a bit of tin foil wrapped around a stone. Looks like a ring maybe. Good close up on it. Not bad. Oh well. Yeah, put in the light by here up here. A bit of light down a bit. Up, that's it. How does it make you feel?
Happy.
Happy?
Yeah, happy.
Yeah.
A little bit of silver.
A little bit of silver with a black stone in the middle of it.
Different.
It's different. Oh, I'll just give away our location then. Yeah? Silver?
My signal.
No signal?
Is it my signal?
Lead?
Yeah, lead or a little bit of that melted metal.
Do you reckon? No, you're right. It is really high.
Bomb shrapnel those.
Can't see any coins, so.
There it is.
Where?
What's that bit of green there?
Bomb shrapnel.
Oh well.
Oh well, you were right. Good shout. Right, guys, got Stephen in the distance and a signal in front of you. Oh, another bit of bomb scrap. No, loads of it here, guys. Right, this is field 3 on Stevie Boy's permission. Give it a check. Looks like it's in the clump. Ah, another bit of scrap metal. Loads of it. You ain't gonna believe this, guys. It's like someone's going round digging up coins and just leaving them on the ground for me. Look at that, just there. It's just left on the ground. Another penny, just picked it up. That looks like a young head. Victoria. Yeah, happy days. It's amazing, they're just everywhere. There's coins everywhere. Right, got a signal there, signal there. Oh well, I'll crack on. Go by this big tree. Signal Roger. Scrapnel or something, is it? Oh, that looks like could be some sort of pin or something. There's definitely something on there. Can't make out exactly what it is. Strange. Definitely a pin of some sort. We'll have to have a look later in the roundup, I suppose. I'll give it a clean off. Oh well, I'll crack on. See you in a bit. As you can hear, guys, it's really windy. I'm still by these trees. Just had 2 coins just laying on a surface and a little buttony type thing. Well, I've just had a hammered coin, and this was more or less on the surface as well, just under a little bit. Stephen's not going to be too happy with me. I'm going to have to give him a shout now so he can come down here and have a shot on this area with me. So I'll see you in a bit, guys. It's a nice early one. Cool, see you in a bit. Stevie's on his way down to us now. Just made a find by here. This, not sure what it is. Looks like the middle might have been hollowed out, maybe. I don't know. I'll chuck it in a pouch. See you in a bit. 4th bit of silver for the day, guys. Little 3D. Nice. Stevie boy's still at it. Right then, hunters, this is everything from my little hunt with Stevie on his permission. As you can see, we made loads of finds, and I'll give the better stuff a clean and get back to you now. See ya. Right then, hunters, this is everything from our little hunt on Stevie's permission, and we had a gay old time. I must have found about 30 coins. I'm not sure exactly how many coins Stevie found, but I know we had a load. I'm sure he'll leave a message in the comment below telling us how many coins he ended up having. As you can see, some lovely little artifacts. I think that might be a horse buckle. 4 bits of silver, 2 bits of Vicky and a Georgian. This year I haven't had a chance to have a good look at this. This could be Edward maybe, or one of the Henrys. A few modern coins. Lovely clean half crown. I want to apologise that I haven't got back to everyone in my comment section. I've been working flat out, literally until 9 o'clock every night, just to make sure I can, you know, make some time for metal detecting. Got a few days off, so I'm hoping to get on top of it all. I went out for a dig with Let's Go Digging on the weekend. My camera failed on me. I didn't charge the battery properly, and this is one of the finds that I made. Lovely little brooch, silver. I'm going to do another video on this because I went for a weekend hunt with Let's Go Digging, and I'm going to add it on the end of that one because it was a Let's Go Dig sort of find and a token. That's a tree. I'm not sure exactly what the writing is around the side. Don't know, it might be like 1800s ish. But I made a load of finds with coin wise and stuff, and I'll add it onto the weekend hunt. So thanks for watching, thanks for commenting. Like I said, I apologise for not getting back to you all. I'm going to make some time and I'm going to reply to all my messages, all you lovely guys, and the competition. I got a few extra things to chuck in with it, so keep watching. The next video will probably be quite fun, and we'll have a look at this in there as well in better detail. So cheers guys, take care, see ya.